Got an AZF ebook file with fixed layout content? These come from a specialized publishing platform for visually rich digital books. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read these AZARDI fixed layout ebook files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific AZF application fails. More details to follow. An AZF file is a fixed layout digital book created for the AZARDI ebook reader. Users encounter this format when they download or purchase content specifically packaged for this platform. The primary goal is to open and read the book while preserving the original print layout, which is crucial for textbooks or graphic novels. The AZF format is a packaged container, effectively a zip archive containing HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript content. This web-centric design allows for rich, interactive, and precisely controlled layouts that standard reflowable ebook formats cannot guarantee, making it ideal for complex visual presentations. The tool most commonly used for creating AZF files is AZARDI by Infogrid Pacific. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows may preview text snippets, but full structure and layout require an ebook reader. To guarantee success, right-click your AZF file and select Open With. If AZARDI is available, test it. If not, choose another application. We are looking for the software that accepts the AZF format. When your AZF file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We know the AZF format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, reading in AZARDI. Download and install AZARDI ebook reader from infogridpacific.com on your computer or mobile device. Open the AZF file in AZARDI, which displays the fixed layout content with proper page rendering. The reader supports interactive elements, media playback, and other features specific to AZARDI fixed layout publications, maintaining publisher-intended visual design. Next, renaming to EPUB. Try renaming the AZF file extension to EPUB and opening with standard EPUB readers like Adobe Digital Edition's Calibre or Apple Books. If the file lacks DRM and uses standard EPUB 3 fixed layout, the rename file opens normally in any EPUB reader. DRM-protected AZF files require AZARDI for proper viewing due to license enforcement. Finally, converting with Calibre. Use Calibre, the open-source ebook management tool, to convert AZF files to other ebook formats. Add the AZF file to Calibre and use the convert function selecting target formats like PDF MOBI or AZW3. Conversion may not perfectly preserve fixed layout fidelity, but enables reading on devices not supporting AZARDI's specific format requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.